Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. Um, okay, so what I've done, I have added a few data points in the data in here, and we are showing multiple users. Like this one is data handling, this one is dispatched, and this one is partner at land dispatch. This is me, and again this is me. So I'm using three different accounts, basically two different accounts, to see whether it's filtering the data or it's showing your data as well. So let me show you with first account. So this is the data handling with D. So here you can see how I can use this report. So this is the first page of the report format in which I can select the date. Like I can select the last 7 days, last 14 days, last 28 days. Let me try last 7 days, last 14 days. So you can see it's 8183. The first point in this one is that this is showing only the data which is in front of datahandling@gmail.com, which is this email address. And this is another email address which I have added on the data. So you can see for the last 28 days the responses will be different for this one and the other one. Here it's 9283. Maybe I have pasted the same data, but it should be different. 9283 and 5. Let's see if we have, yeah, we have different values for, because this is filtering the data on the basis of the user logged in with a particular Gmail address, and that email address is available on the data. In that case it will only show that data. So this is the range selection, which is giving you a better control of last 28 days, 3 days, today, yesterday, weekly data, this week, last week, monthly. And if you don't want to do this, you can always select any date you want to select, like this. So it's now selecting the November 1st to November 3rd. If you want to see last 15 days, which is not the available option in the drop down, so you can see it like this. You can just always click on it. So this will show you the data from November 15th to November 30th. So, and these are the entries available with all the data posted. Posted date basically is the revenue. So revenue, RPM, trip miles, DH miles, load numbers. And here we have plotted the same values in a combination graph, which is showing the trip miles, DH, and RPM on the left axis, and these are the legends for that. The green one are revenue, and the revenue vertical scale is here 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K, and these are the dates on which the entries are available. Now let's go to the second page. I just tried to plot two different ways. This is exactly the same chart as this one, but with a different view of it. So it's we have different we have made different scales on different sides. So on this is on the right side, and that was the revenue on the previous chart was on the right side. And these are the three charts which are for resembling the pivot table sheet shared by the other person. So this is the revenue. These are the total trip miles, and these are the total DH miles for that selected period. So you can see if I'll change the period, because it's currently covering 3 weeks. So if I'll select it from the 1st of the November, it will increase the number of bars in it. So now it's showing week 44, week 45, week 46, week 47, and 8. So now it's covering 4 weeks, and it's showing the results for each week. So this way you can see the data plotted and the data in number format as well. This will give you more control if there are more than 8 entries and not covering the whole thing. It will give you the scroll bar in here, and it will you can always click on this to navigate to the next pages. So I think this is giving the functionality. You can let me know the your review, and I can fine tune this. And yes, please try it with the accounts I have already entered the data for, like these two accounts, dispatch and partner. Yep. And please let me know your response. Thank you.